Hey guys, it's me, Steven, with the Handmaidens. It is a frosty 25-degree day here in upstate New York. We just have a couple more days until Christmas, so Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Our chickens are out here just loving all the sunshine. I gave them a couple more leaf bags to play with, so they're pecking at that, they're scratching at the grain. They're living their best life, but you know what? Even though that the chickens can handle this weather, their water can't. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a frost-resistant waterer. Now all you need is an old tire, something to fill it with. I use the bags from the leaf bags actually, so that's free. The tire is from a car that I no longer have. It was a snow tire. 16-inch rim. You can use a 15 or a 16. And then you probably have these around if you have birds. I picked up some new ones. A heavy-duty 3-gallon rubber feed container. Feeder or water. They call it multi-purpose. And you just take it. Now the paper bags or whatever you put in there, you can put in old shop towels, anything to stop the air from flowing and creating a lot of air movement to freeze the water. You put that in there, and then you put this in, and what it does is the color attracts the heat, and then it stops, and then the radiation from the sun gives you a waterer that can keep your chicken's water from freezing in some pretty cold temperatures. Hope you enjoy the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Merry Christmas.